welcome to Vidatra. So ee roju live session lo mana beautiful lightweight Banarasi Georgette sarees chusedam. Banarasi Georgette sarees are very lightweight collections andi. It's like easy to carry sarees and I'll be showing you around 15 to 20 sarees in this live session. And manaki Guntur lo 9, 10, 11 3 days complete exhibition jarugutundi. Mana Muktavari the Great Indian Handloom Festival, the Hotel Capital Guntur. So please do visit andi. And this is a black color saree, black with paitani border వస్తుంది మనకి. Very beautiful Georgette types and saree మొత్తం కూడా మనకి tiny motifs వస్తున్నాయి and pallu combination కూడా మనకి ఇలా వస్తుందండి. So blouse will be same as the pallu and ఈ saree price వచ్చేసి మనకి 9099. The next one, this is dark red and bright red combination వస్తుంది, very dark color and border కూడా మనకి paitani border వస్తుంది. You can see the colorful prints in the border and very bright and elegant violet and green color combination తో వస్తుంది. Saree మొత్తం కూడా మనకి tiny motifs వస్తున్నాయండి, very small one. And this is the pallu with beautiful finish paitani border తో finishing వస్తుందండి. And మనకి blouse కూడా same paitani border blouse వస్తుంది. So we don't have the blouse collections right now. So we do my team ki contact chesi, they will show you. The price is 9099. Blouses anni kuda paitani blouses vastayandi almost. This is green color. You can see one only. This is the dark green and border kuda colorful one. Very lightweight Georgette types. So Georgette sarees anni kuda chaala chakkaga untundandi. We can carry it for the whole day. This is the pallu with thicker finish and manaki blouse kuda running vastundandi. You can see the blouse, so plain blouse vastundandi. So this is how it looks. Ila combination vastundi, manaku kavalante stone work cheyinchukochu and the saree price is 7349. And the next one, dark brown andi. You can see the combination. Manaki brown and maroon mix shade lo kanipistundi saree. And saree is full of designer and golden color design. It's running all over and with two thin borders running on either sides. Golden color combination and Banarasi with Georgette. This is the pallu with rich finish. Ma'am single kuda flaunt chesukochu. And we have got a running blouse and so pattern change అవుతుంది, I mean texture of the blouse change అవుతుంది. So this is how it looks and saree price వచ్చేసి మనకి 7349. You can even visit our store and which is Vidatra Shopping Mall, PVP Lane, Vijayawada. This is light green shade వస్తుంది, sea blue combination and border వచ్చేసరికి మనకి dark sea green, two different shades and the saree lo pretty contrast and saree మొత్తం కూడా you can see the pastel multi colors Georgette material. This is the pallu, Banarasi pallu and we have got the contrast blouse and border color combination lo manaki blouse వస్తుంది with thin border. So this is how it looks and saree price వచ్చేసి మనకి 7349. The next one, mustard yellow shade, oil mustard yellow and border kuda manaki Banarasi border vastundandi. So Georgette material and saree mottham kuda tiny motifs vastunayi, golden color, very beautiful color and manchi flowy material andi. This is the pallu lo meer colorful finish chudochu, mottham colorful designs, very pretty and we have got a blouse. So blouse kuda manchi designer andi with beautiful booties. So ila vastundi manaki and the price is 6999. Saree color combinations kuda chaala chakkaga unnayandi. This is light green color, parrot green with red color border, manchi paitani border vastundandi. You can see the colorful designs in this and saree mottham kuda motifs vastunayi, very lightweight Georgette material andi. This is the pallu, paitani pallu వస్తుంది మనకి and blouse కూడా మనకి paitani blouse వస్తుందండి. You can contact our team, they will show you and the price is 9099. The next one, maroon color andi, such a beautiful one. And ee color andariki chaala chakkaga suit avutundi. And complete saree kuda manaki same design pattern running vastundi. And you can see the Banarasi borders running on either sides. Very thin borders and Banarasi style. And here is the pallu. Pallu with border finish andi. Feather finishing vastundi. And we have got a blouse. So pretty blouse only with a thin border. So this is a combination. And the saree price is 699. The next one, this is peach color. Border kuda paithani border vastundi. Colorful ones. And saree mottham kuda manchi motifs vastunayandi. Tiny motifs, pretty and elegant. This is the pallu. Pallu with paithani ones. And blouse kuda manaki same paithani blouse vastundandi. A beautiful design. And saree price vachesi manaki 9099. This is another dark color andi. Indaka man maroon color lo chusam kada. This is another shade. So this is dark navy blue. Design mottham same untundi. And we have got colors in the saree and different colors unnayi. Meeru WhatsApp number ki message cheyochu. Our team will get back to you. This is the pallu. Pallu with beautiful finish andi. Manaki chakkati designs kuda vastundi. Complete saree kuda pretty one and designer kuda chakkaga undi. And we have got a blouse. So dark navy blue blouse vastundandi with the thin motifs. And ee saree price vachesi manaki 6999. The next one, green color andi. Manchi light pista green shade. And border kuda manaki blue color border vastundi. Different combination andi, green with blue. Saree mottham kuda golden color florals vastunayi. So georgette material you can see. This is the pallu. Pallu with blue color finish andi. Blue with golden work. Thread finishing kuda vachindi. And we have got a blouse. So blouse vachesi contrast one andi with a piping. So ila vastundi manaki combination. And the saree price is 5299. 5299. The next one, this is light peach color andi. Saree color combination kuda chaala chakkaga undi with a mixture of pastel colors. Light pink and peach combination to chaala chakkaga undi. And this is the border. Border kuda very beautiful one andi, colorful one. Mottham kuda florals vastundi. And we have got a pallu finish. Colorful finish vastundandi. And here is a blouse with different combination. Manaki blouse ila vastundi. And saree price vachesi 7349. The next one is black color andi. One of the finest color. Dark color combination. And both the ends light golden color work so chaala beautiful ga vastundi. Thin border. And saree mottham kuda different printed patterns vastundi. Golden color. This is the pallu. Pallu kuda chaala chakkaga unnadi. And we have got a blouse. So blouse with a thin border. This is a combination. And ee saree price vachesi manaki 11849. And this is another color andi, light blue color shade lo vastundi. Ice blue combination. Mottham kuda Banarasi style completely, but material vachesi manaki georgette types vastundi. With the golden finish. This is the pallu. Complete saree kuda manaki ice blue with golden color combination vastundandi. And we have got a blouse with different texture. Koncham harsh material la untundandi. This is the one. And ee saree price vachesi manaki 7349. Almost all the saree prices kuda different unnayandi. And this is the last one for today. This is bright orange with brown color finish. Border vachesi manaki brown color vastundandi, Banarasi style. And design kuda manaki Banarasi type of motifs vastunayi. It's running all over the saree. దిస్ ఇస్ ద పళ్ళు విత్ బ్రౌన్ కలర్ ఫినిషింగ్తో చాలా చక్కగా డిజైనర్ వచ్చిందండి. అండ్ వీ హ్యావ్ గాట్ అ బ్లౌజ్. సో గోల్డెన్ కలర్ కాంబినేషన్తో వస్తుంది. అండ్ ఈ శారీ ప్రైస్ వచ్చేసి మనకి 6449. సో దట్స్ ఆల్ ఫర్ టుడే అండి ఫ్రమ్ ద కలెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ లైట్ వెయిట్ బనారసీ జార్జెట్ మెటీరియల్ శారీస్. అండ్ మీరు కనుక ఆర్డర్ చేయాలనుకుంటే వాట్సాప్ నెంబర్కి ఆర్డర్ చేయొచ్చు. సో దిస్ ఈస్ అ వాట్సాప్ నెంబర్ అండి, వాట్సాప్ నెంబర్ అండ్ జీపే నెంబర్. సో ప్లీజ్ టు టేక్ ద స్క్రీన్ షాట్. వీఆర్ ఆల్సో షిప్పింగ్ ద శారీస్ వరల్డ్ వైడ్. మీరు స్టోర్ని కూడా విజిట్ చేయొచ్చండి, విధాత్రి షాపింగ్ మాల్, పీవీపీ లేన్, విజయవాడ. And again tomorrow we'll be back with another beautiful range of collections. Till then,